Hey everyone, so here's this app which is in top charts in US App Store, BOK. So let's install it and just go through it. So super easy to install, and yeah, you can see it's in the top charts in health and fitness category and in overall top 200 apps. And this app is about panic and anxiety relief. And it just introduces some calming techniques which help you to cope with anxiety and similar issues. So you can listen to nature sounds, you can regain control of your breathing, call someone, import photos, and yeah. So let's just try to open it up. And then you can see this breathing technique. And then you just hold. And then hold your breath. And then you exhale. So it seems like a super simple app, and then again you can inhale. And then hold your breath. So that's that. That's your account. Then you can just select different sounds here. So you can listen to the sounds. You can then adjust your breathing timer, appearance. You can connect the health app. Then you can import some photos that make you smile. Then you can import some contacts and add a speed dial, add a specific contact who you want to call. And that's about it. And these are the developers. So as you can see here, so this is the app. So super cool idea. So that's that. That's just a quick overview. So definitely try out this app. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website. Subscribe on newsletter on mrhack.io to discover more cool, amazing apps like this one.